Hi everyone, so with the latest update from Apple on your iPhone iOS 17, there's something they haven't really talked about very much, if at all. And that is they have introduced multiple timers, just like they've done on the Apple Watch some time ago, so that you can have timers for different things. And that's really useful if you're cooking or you've got other things going on and you want different timers for them. So it's quite simple, it's right here under the clock. I'm here on my timers. I could set one, say, for 1 hour. When I press start, you'll see in the top right-hand corner now, it's got a plus sign. So I can tap there and I could add another one in, say, for maybe 2 hours. And let's make it 15 minutes here. And then I can start it. That's fabulous. However, you can also use this with Siri. And when you use it with Siri, just like on the watch, you can actually give it a label as well. Because I've got these two timers here. I don't know what they might be for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Siri right now. Siri, set put dinner timer on for 2 hours. There we have it. It didn't quite do all of it because it's just put dinner here. But now it has a label. Let's just try something else. So set editing to be done timer for 1 hour. There you are. So now I have got my timers there. Now I can pause them. That's really obvious. I can just tap on the pause button. I can also look at it here, or I can pause it just by tapping on it. If I go back, I can swipe to the left and press delete to get rid of them. So there you have it. They've now introduced multiple timers onto the iPhone for iOS 17. Really useful feature. I was using it on my watch all the time and now, thankfully, I have it on my watch as well. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe and come back for more.